I'm not messing around.
It's already recording.
Oh, it's already recording?
I just started.
I was going to say, don't put me on there saying something mean.
Whatever. Good morning, YouTube family, and welcome to another, stop it, woman, a episode of This and That. Yes, it is your boy Rosie, your soon-to-be #1 YouTube host, and my wife Red is doing the recording today. The reason she's recording, would you stop it? The reason she's recording is we have a challenge going on. I found something on one of the Facebooks or TikToks or TikFace or something that says we can take potato chips and make mashed potatoes.
Okay, what y'all think?
Family,
What y'all think?
Red believes
That is not going to work.
and I'm telling you with everything in me. So what we already got is a hot pot of hot boiling water. Hold on that hole.
How he going to leave the scene, y'all? He going to have to edit this out.
No, I'm not.
You have to edit this
I
out.
told you I keep it real. All right, fam. We already got a pot of hot boiling water in our can cooker. Now, I got about 6 cups of water in there. The problem being is this is my first time doing this, and I don't know exactly how many cups of water we need. But
It's not gonna work.
the two videos I saw on YouTube said they dumped the whole bag. Now, if the family knows me, they know I do things a little bit differently. I'm gonna dump about 3/4 of this bag. The one gentleman that I saw on YouTube that I liked, he added sour cream at the end. I'm using a couple of handfuls of sour cream
Why?
and onion.
Why?
I'm taking a step out. I'm
Taking
making
this
it
stuff
work.
out. Okay, this lazy man's potato chip.
That's how we do it, this and that.
Mashed potato.
We don't work hard for nobody.
All right, here we go, y'all. Wish us luck.
All right, fam. So we're gonna stir this up, and we're gonna come back. And I'm thinking this is gonna take about 10 or 15 minutes. I'm gonna stir this up. We're gonna come back in about 15 minutes and see what we got. We're gonna dump these out, strain them, and we're gonna have mashed potato with butter.
I'm going to tell y'all the truth. This is not going to work.
I'm telling you with everything in me. What makes you think it's potatoes? And think about this. This could be epic for camping, for lazy people like myself. If this works, I'm never buying another potato. Idaho is in trouble because I'm never buying another Idaho potato. Family, y'all stay tuned. We'll be back in 10 minutes to show y'all this masterpiece.
Okay.
Peace.
masterpiece.
Quiet on the set. All right, family, we're about 5-6 minutes in, and we've added just about 2 teaspoons of butter. This thing is boiling and going good. They're already starting to break down. Let me show the people what we're working with. Now, Lady Red we looked at this once. She said, it's not gonna work because it's so watery. But we gotta strain these before we get started. Or when we finish, take them out. We gotta strain them. And the added step that I'm gonna use that the guy on YouTube didn't use is, I'm using paper towel to try to pat these things dry. Then we're gonna beat them up real good, stir them up just like we do with mashed potato. Family, I'm telling you, this is going to be epic. And the sour cream potato chips, let's put the icing on top, y'all. That's the creme de la creme. We'll be back, stay tuned. All right, fam. We're exactly 15 minutes in, and y'all see the smile on my face? I think this is gonna work. They're getting mashy. Might have put just a little bit too much water, but I'm telling you, we're gonna strain them. All right, family, we're going over to the sink. We're gonna strain these. I'm gonna put the paper towel, try to get all the moisture out we can. We're gonna stir these up, put a little more butter, and call it lunchtime. The thing I like about this can cooker, I ordered these handles, and now it's not hot.
Let's look at it. Let's look at it before and after.
Boom.
Oh, okay.
All right.
Okay.
I hope they ain't too thin and go through the strainer.
Now, I think they are. Well, let's see what we got.
Oh, you just looking for the negativity.
Let me get you a bowl, maybe, to put up under there. I don't want it to all go down the sink.
Yeah.
Look down there, Daddy, and get a bowl. One of those great things.
Yep, just in case they're too thin for the strainer, fam. Good idea. Good looking out.
Okay, here we go. Here we go. Look at all the water up under there. Move your thing. All of that.
That's all water.
Excess water.
You let it strain for a few minutes.
Yeah, but there's still water all on the top.
Can we pour that off?
Want me
That's
to
in the
pour it
bottle. Yeah, let's pour that. What's in that silver tray?
Look at all these jobs I got. This is ridiculous.
Matter of fact, I'll pour it off.
I can do it.
No, you can't.
Oh, I
You'll
got
mess
it.
up my project.
Don't bring this up, Daddy.
Good. All right. All right, let's go back.
Yeah, let's go back, y'all. Look, okay, show the consistency. Don't cheat. Y'all see the consistency of that, y'all?
Well, we gotta mash it.
Well, you still gotta mash them?
Finna mash them now.
I thought that was it. You just use the potato chips and that's it. Now you still
Really?
gotta mash them?
Yeah, but I mean, come on. You ain't peeling, doing none of that nonsense.
I don't know.
Come on.
We're gonna see.
All right, now let's pour them in the tray. We're gonna pat them down with a paper towel.
I think you should have mashed them while you was in there and that thing to get all the excess water out.
You think?
I do believe.
All right, let's go back with that, y'all.
Come here, Daddy. Okay. He's okay. We doing the both.
I know what I'm doing.
We doing the
I
most
think.
over here, y'all. All right, now mash them in there. You see all that excess water you got?
Do I have one of those?
The masher,
Yeah.
potato masher will be over here, Daddy.
Yeah. What about the bottom drawer?
Okay.
All right.
Okay. We're gonna go
No
ghetto.
potato mash. We're gonna go
We're gonna go
go
ghetto.
hood style on them. Boom.
Although y'all done messed up. Something was down back here.
I'll get it when you're done. When we're
Something
done.
was done. Something is down.
I'll get it.
Sorry.
All right, fam. Check this out.
Got a masher, though.
Thought I saw one too. Unless it's in the RV.
Man, it's an argument. Let's mash it. Let's mash it.
That ain't working.
You all right? You want me to whisk it up for you? It does look like, you know.
Yep. Now some of it falling through now.
Oh, let me. Okay, I'm sorry.
Let's just test. Let's do this part. Let's pour this in a bowl.
Pour this one in a bowl.
Yep.
All right.
You want to take this?
Yes.
I'll take that since I don't
Yes.
get you on camera and you're
Oh, please don't.
moo.
Well, my moo was cute.
Whatever.
Y'all, he trying to kill me. He left the drawer
No,
out.
you left the
He
drawer
said he
because
was
you done
gonna
messed
fix
something up.
and almost killed
All right,
myself.
let's spoon this into the bowl.
It's too dark. You need to go up under the window. Okay.
That's gonna fall.
All right, put your bowl down there.
All right, fam. We're gonna spoon this into the bowl. Does that not look like mashed potatoes?
It looks like it.
Now all is the taste test. I want to add some more butter.
They got butter right there. Y'all.
Bam. Fam.
Y'all feel sorry for me always having to be the
Bam.
guinea pig of every little creation that
Bam.
he creates.
Could you grab me a fork, please?
I will.
We're gonna test it just the way it is.
All right. Here you go, Mr. Tester. This
You
is
got
what
it?
I got it.
All right, here it goes.
Here it goes.
Fork. Boom.
It's gonna burn your mouth. I'm gonna crack up.
Here goes, fam.
All right. I don't think you blew it enough. Okay. Y'all.
Salt and pepper.
Was that
Hold
necessary?
on. No,
Was
no,
that extra
no,
move
no. Before you
necessary?
test it, hold on.
No, 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 no. You said all you need is potato chips.
You need a little
He
salt.
said all you need was a little potato chips, y'all. I'm gonna tell y'all the truth.
Ow! I ain't gonna get
put it
out.
on
No,
there.
just your face. Tell the truth. Tell the truth.
It
Shame
does-
the world.
It does taste like potatoes,
Yeah, but
but you still have to season it up.
okay, come on. I just changed the game. Oh, might be a little too much.
Yeah, he went a little.
Put a little
crazy
bit
on
butter.
something. I'm doing a lot for somebody that's supposed to be just holding the camera.
Ooh, that's a lot of butter, y'all.
See, put some butter. Now that's when you call him a dollop of butter. Okay.
That's $1. That's $1 worth.
Oh shit! I made.
Oh, look at her, y'all.
I made it too watery now. So if you add butter, it gets watery. Look at that.
So does regular mashed potato.
Look at it's getting watery, y'all.
She looking for something. Why you gotta be a hater?
That's what I do. Don't put me on there. Not bad.
Okay. Do you believe now? Do you believe? Do you believe?
Why is he like this? Y'all?
Family.
Why is he like this?
I just changed the game. Family.
Let me ask you this. How did you change the game? You seen it something.
Someone out, I promise you, someone has already done it. Anything we do in the YouTube game, someone has already done it. My job is to simplify, make it unique, and make it ours, my family on the channel. We just did that. Family.
Okay, tell me what's the difference in what you did that made it so much unique.
Mashed potatoes, I have to peel them. We have to boil them. We have to mash them. We have to season them. I buy a bag of Lay's potato chips from the store, pour them in hot boiling water, add salt, and we eating. Boom. That's what we did.
So
I did have to
everybody
mash
else.
them up, and you have to have one of those small strainers. You have to have one of those small strainers to keep anything from going through. Other than that, this is a game changer.
All right, y'all.
Bam. We're going to go ahead and bring this one in for a landing. This has been a total success. I won Lady Red over. Hopefully it won y'all over. And y'all try this. Just for the fun of it, try it. And, ooh, I'm spitting potatoes. That's how good it is. Try this for your family. Don't surprise them. Do not tell them what you've done. Let them taste test it. And come back on the channel and tell me what your results are. Family, we're going to bring this one in for a landing. I hope y'all enjoyed this content. I hope y'all enjoyed me making Lady Red eat crow. And I hope y'all come back to the channel for future videos. Y'all subscribe because we're having fun this year. We're doing it right. And if you do subscribe, hit the notification bell so you be notified every time we drop one of these awesome videos. It's your boy Rosie. Peace. Tanya. Now, potato time.